everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start. 1.3.5, Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. Animals are multicellular and heterotrophic organisms. Animals are divided into two main groups. Those do not have a backbone, vertebral column, are grouped as invertebrates. And those that have a backbone are grouped as vertebrates. Invertebrates make up more than 95% of all animal species alive today. Porifera, examples, sponge. Characteristics, asymmetrical, poor filter feeders, not motile, sessile. Consists of two cell layers only, ectoderm and endoderm with mesoglia, non-cellular layer, between them, example, sponges. Mid-area, examples, jellyfish. Characteristics, radial symmetry. Two cell layers only, ectoderm and endoderm, with mesoglia between them. Body plan is with sessile polyp, vase-shaped, or motile medusa, inverted bowl shape. Gastrovascular cavity present. All have stinging cells, example, corals, jellyfish. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.